Well, there's my little sweetie. Look at that beautiful pose on top of the heated tuffet. Look how both legs on one side are extended. Yeah, this is an alternate way of laying on the tuffet. What? I was just talking about how sweet she is, and now she's looking up at me. Oh dear. Now she doesn't look comfortable at all. Look at that. I must be bothering her. She's trying to relax, and I'm sitting here talking about her pose on the tuffet. Now she's self-conscious. Look at that. She isn't resting her head anymore. Um, she has her leg bent there. Oh dear. Nope, now she's going to change her position again. Oh my goodness. Can't even sit on a tuffet in peace. Yeah, I can't help it. She's so cute, I just can't help it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, looks like she's just gonna prop herself up now there. Okay, well, I guess we'll let her alone for now.